Today, the bench trial begins against the parents of a little girl found on the side of the road this past spring.
The trial will determine the future of that child and her sister. There are 4 attorneys involved in this case to revoke parental rights or have the children returned to their home. TV6's Mark Cowman reports.
Judge Robert Goebel Jr. is presiding over the bench trial to determine the disposition of the 2 minor children of Michael Lavoie and Tammy Fryer. The case started with an opening statement from prosecutor Phil Strom, whose petition would allow for a possible reunification of the family.
And I believe the facts will show that these parents have 2 children that are developmentally delayed and have some very special and unique needs.
After Strom's opening statement, the first witness called was the children's mother, Tammy Fryer.
Why do you want to reunify with your children?
My girls are in the entire world.
During a testimony marked by tears, Ms. Fryer answered questions regarding the children's care, her boyfriend Michael Lavoie's past drug use, as well as traumatic issues in her past, including an assault she suffered that she says has caused her difficulties in raising her children. She said that if given a chance at reunification, that she would try and correct the mistakes she has made. Other witnesses on the day included Gary Wattier, who is a clinical psychologist in Marquette, who testified regarding an autism diagnosis he made regarding the older of the 2 children. Also taking the stand was Dr. Scott Randall, who had served as the Lavoie family doctor in Gladstone. The testimony picks up tomorrow when the court will hear from Michael Lavoie himself, as well as Annette and Paul Fritz, who are 2 of the children's grandparents who had also been living in the home with the family. Mark Cowman reporting for TV6 News, Escanaba.
For the sake of clarity, it should be pointed out that due to the nature of this trial, it does not follow a traditional format. In this case, the prosecutor works alongside an attorney representing the children's interests. The attorney has filed a petition to terminate the parental rights, while prosecutor Phil Strom's petition allows for the possible reunification of the family. Both will be allowed to make their cases with the judge rendering a decision.